do you still see na malakas pa rin yung impluwensya talaga diyan?
Oh yeah, solid
Mm.
South is
Hmm.
as solid as it can get. In fact, Marcoleta, I think isa sa reason na sobrang taas ng ranking ni
Hmm.
Congressman now soon to be Senator-elect Marcoleta is number 4 yata siya
Mhm.
in certain regions like Davao across
Mm.
Mindanao. So
Mhm.
basically after Bongo and Bato, it's more or less Marcoleta,
Yes,
right?
oo.
So ang laki ng tulong kay Marcoleta yung jump niya sa Mindanao vote. So if Mindanao is the reason why Bongo is number 1, Mindanao is also the reason why Marcoleta ranked so high, almost
Mm.
top 5, no? And I
Pero
think it's
itong
also the reason why
Marcoleta, yeah. Sige, Congressman
well,
Marcoleta, what do you think? Ano pa yung ibang nag-push kaya?
no, I mean everyone talks about the block voting, the you know
Idea
the
siya.
religious
Mhm.
groups effect. But ako, feeling ko if you look at Senator-elect Marcoleta, if hopefully it's
Mm.
not too premature to say that, coalition builder siya, 'di ba? Ilang beses na meet niya si VP Lenny, 'di ba?
Yes.
Sabi
Oh,
ni VP
pero
Lenny,
nilinaw naman
senatorial
eh.
na tinawag niya
Oo.
sa kanya. Yeah, I mean, in fairness kay Congressman
Mm.
Marcoleta, he knows how to build coalition. In fact, silang dalawa ni Bam para sa akin ang the most effective coalition builders. Kung titignan mo si Bam rin, yung networks niya, yung range ng mga tao nag-endorse sa kanya, yung mga sample ballots. I
Mhm.
saw sample ballots na straight PTP Lapan and then Bam. I
Mm.
saw sample ballot na mix ng Alyansa, Kiko and then Bam. So I think Bam, Marcoleta, these are very strong coalition builders dito sa election na yan. And that's why ang ganda ng spread ng kanilang numbers. Although of course in the case of Bam, number 2 siya,
Mhm.
amazing numbers and nakuha niya yung L2L talaga eh. Basically,
Mm.
the key corridors nakuha niya. And siguro if Bam had even closer relationship with PDP Laban, baka siya pa yung number 1. So
Mhm.
these are incredible numbers. Ako, to be honest, I was a bit critical kasi sabi ko, masyado yatang pa-safe itong mga opposition candidates. But the pa-safe work because basically,
Mhm.
tinignan ng tao is yung personal brand ni Bam, bata, buff Bam na ang tawag sa kanya kasi
Mhm.
he's more lean and mean now compared to last
Yeah.
time na tumakbo siya. And edukasyon, youth, yung kay Kiko, kahit sabi nila corny yung food vlogs, apparently how should I put it? Kumbaga natanggal yung mga negative associations sa mga liberal and all. So
Mm.
it's impressive. But having said that, I think yung issue in the coming years is anong version ng opposition. I'm talking about progressive liberal opposition makikita natin